Today, let me show you our lead screw with anti-backlash nut. This lead screw diameter is 10 mm. Popular lead is 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm. The lead screw material is stainless steel. This nut adopts integrated design with spring inside. The nut can eliminate the clearance between the lead screw and the nut. Also, this integrated design makes the nut structure very compact. This nut material is aluminum bronze and peak 450G. You can also get brass and POM nut material from us. Shaft end and the nut shape can be produced according to your needs. Welcome to inquiry.